So let's move to the data visualization, and we will use Matplotlib in this area for visualizing our data. So of course we will make first, we will make here pip install Matplotlib before we start. Okay, then we will start importing. We are importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Okay, this is we will use normally in our data visualization. So we will use the same arrays X and Y, and we have Z also. So we will use normally X and Y and Z. It's a variable. It's like a normal array. And if you didn't see how we will use this array, please back to the previous video and you will see how to use it in NumPy and these things. So let's start. I want to visualize this. Okay, we will use the function plot. Okay, so plt.plot. I want Z and Y, and here we have to tell you and warn you about it's like a coordination. This is a coordination, so all the arrays has to be in the same size. If I want 1 point, so I want X and Y, or Z and Y, or X and Z. I want 2 coordinates for 1 point. So normally be aware of this. All of them have to be in the same size. So here, if I want to make Z and Y, he will give me this shape. This is for Z and Y. If I want X and Y and run, he will give me this straight line, because normally they are the same. Here X and Y mostly the same, so he will give me straight line. This is the plot. So let's make it a little bit complicated with scatter, and we will use some other functions. Scatter, it's give me points. Okay, I will use scatter and I will use the variable. This is normal, but also I want to use the color. I will change the color to red, and I want to change these markers to this. Okay, also I can change it to plus. Okay, this is the marker will show here. Okay, I can change and control the legend. Okay, I want to put plot here. I want to put X label. X label, this is here. Yeah, you want to make on the X axis, you want to make this label X and Y label here, and the title, this is relation between age and height. This is the title. So you can control anything inside your visual here. Okay, we want to make, or if we want to merge two if I want to merge two things together like a scatter and a plot, I can also use this here. As you see, scatter, I want Z and Y. Plot, I want X and Y. And this is the same data. We will use here some extra, which is save fig. And I will tell him save this figure, okay, with this name. Okay, after I run this, I have to go here. I will find plot.png, this one. I can see it here. Also, I can download it normally. So if I want to use in any other function, I can use normally. Also, I can use by. Okay. I will put him the size and labels and these things. It's all normal things you can use. Okay. And we can also generate. Okay. So for example, generate a pie chart for 3 categories with 30, 40, 30%, and he will generate for me a code, and I will run 30, 30, 40, 3 categories. It's very easy and without do anything. If I want to change, this is the title. This is, for example, start from where exactly. So I will tell him start from 75 here. He will start, this was the start point. He will start from 75. This is all you can play with. It's normal functions, and as I told you, no need for any memorizing. You has only to understand what is this and how to use it. If you like this video and want to see more, please give me a like and subscribe. If you have any comment or you have any problem, please comment below. If you want to see the previous videos, please check the playlist. I have a Python playlist and I have this playlist for AI Python. Thank you for watching and see you next time.